Hello everyone. This video is one in a series of videos. Okay, so they're based on these two documents. This is the DT1. This is these are official DVSA documents actually. So this is a guidance to examiners, and it will tell the examiners exactly how to conduct the test first of all, and also it will tell them what to look for on the test. What to look for in your driving, should I say, on the test. So that's quite a weighty read, that one. So that's that one. Okay. Also going to use this one. This is the marking sheet for the examiners. This is called a DL25. They're official documents. This here, as you can see, is kind of all in sections there. If you notice, okay. What they are, that's the marking sheet, and at the back it tells the examiners exactly how to mark your test. Okay, so we're going to use that one, and we're using this one also. Actually, you can access these. It's very cheap. Well, cheap's free. And you know, it's very easy to get to. I'll explain that later in the video. If you want to see more in this series, just click subscribe, okay, and ring the bell. There's more being added all the time, and there's plenty on there anyway to be getting on with. So let's get cracking. Okay, so let's focus on the clutch. This is the clutch here, the left-hand one of the three pedals. So what the clutch does basically is it connects and disconnects the engine to the gearbox and wheels. So when the clutch is fully down, the engine, gearbox, wheels are disconnected, and when the clutch is fully up, the engine is connected to the gearbox and wheels. So that when we want to set off, what we would normally do is turn the engine on. We'll put the clutch all the way down, and then we would set a little bit of gas. Palm the gear lever into first gear, then we'll bring the clutch just to the halfway point where that's called the bite point, and that's where the engine and the wheels are just connecting with each other, but it's not enough to move the car. This point changes or varies in different cars, but for this one it's about here. You'll feel the front of the car might rise a little bit and the engine note might change. Then when we want to actually move, we will bring the clutch up another pound coin's width. So I know you know what a pound coin looks like, but there it is, just that's all it has to be. So we'll bring the clutch up another pound coin's width like that, and that will actually get the car to move. And hold that clutch steady for the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll bring the clutch fully up. And that way, when you count to 3 there, that will make a nice smooth steady start. When we want to stop the car, we would naturally be driving along with our foot on the gas. Then as we want to stop, we'll start to brake first of all, then we'll put the clutch fully down, disconnecting the engine and the wheels, then we'll brake gently to stop. Once we've stopped, we can put the car into neutral, and then we can release the clutch and the car won't go anywhere. When we want to change gears, again, we'll have the foot on the gas, we'll go clutch down, off gas, change gear, bring the clutch back to the bite point, hold it there, 1, 2, 3, and then bring the clutch fully up with a little bit of gas. So the instructions for the clutch will be: cover the clutch, clutch down, clutch to bite, and then clutch fully up, foot on the floor. Okay, that's the clutch. Thank you. Bye.